Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm just showing you a few things that I decided to try as I continue on my journey on this low carb diet. And these are some things that I researched and I think even got from the Virta app. I can't remember which is which. I talked about this one before, the low carb egg bread. I'm just trying to make more varieties of it to see what I like the best. So this time I made the same ingredients, except this time I added cinnamon and I added some stevia. And what I'm using is pure stevia. And this is what I get online. A little goes a long way. It's very sweet, but you don't need like spoonfuls. So if you decide to try the recipe, then I just kind of had to guess how much I used, and I'll put that in the description. But the bread came out really good. It has a sweet taste, and that's kind of how it looks. And it tastes really good. Like I said, it has that sweet taste to it. And I decided to also make these are called power balls. And this time, you can use almond butter. That's mainly for the ingredient, but this time I decided to also use some natural peanut butter that has zero sugar in it. And I used a little bit of that and a little bit of almond butter. It looks like meatballs, but it's not. With this, I use stevia, chia seeds, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. They say if you find some sugar-free chocolate chips, you can add that to it. I couldn't find any. And also they recommend some flaxseed. I didn't use that because I didn't have any. So this is how that looks. Very easy to make. You just mix everything up. You put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes and then you take it out and you make little balls with it. I think I did use almond flour. I don't know, did I say that or not? So it's very moist. It's round. It's best if it stays cold. And then the last thing I made was this mousse, chocolate mousse. Now it tastes a little bit on the bitter side because, of course, I'm not using sugar. I did at one store. I found 100%. I think it's called cacao. I'll put the ingredients also in the description box. But I used cream cheese, I used heavy cream, the cocoa, stevia, and some vanilla. And then I put it in the refrigerator for a few hours, so it has a nice thickness to it. I think this is probably too much to eat in one setting. I made 2 cups in this type of container. And it tastes okay. It tastes a little sweet. Again, I'm using pure stevia, so I'm guessing how much I'm supposed to use because there's no way I could have used. They said 3 tablespoons of stevia. I used like a half teaspoon because that would have been way too sweet. So, because the pure one goes a long way. So I just want to show you again. I will leave the description. I believe the ingredients just in case you're interested in trying it. I'm trying to find new things to make as I stay on this diet and, kind of substitute like a dessert and like a snack. So when I get those cravings, I have something to eat that fits in my plan. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like this video.